Okay guys, we just crossed this. We about slid in. This is nothing but ice right here where you cross on our little bridge. We have an ice storm coming. We're under a warning for a half-inch of freezing rain and ice coming. They said possibly more. Check out our little creek, guys. This could get really, really bad. And this is the only way right now in and out of our place. Check out the ice down there. Check it out. And this is the road. It's ice all the way up past me where the water comes across. And this will probably freeze over tonight. And people's going to cross this with no guardrails, guys. This could be really, really dangerous.